Life is uncertain. We can't predict the future, but we can measure that uncertainty. This is probability. It wasn't born in a university, but in 17th century French gambling halls, when mathematicians Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat were asked to solve a dispute over an unfinished dice game. Together, they laid the foundations for the theory of chance. Today, we formalize this study with a precise language called set theory. The sample space is every possible outcome. An event is the outcome we care about. We use simple words with powerful meanings. Intersection means and, union means or, and complement means not. This is the language of data science and even quantum physics. Venn diagrams help visualize events happening at the same time. Imagine a class of 30 students. 20 play sport, 15 play music, and 8 do both. To find the probability of a student playing sport or music, you can't just add 20 and 15. You'd be double counting the students who do both. The addition rule corrects this. Add the two groups, then subtract the overlap. So it's 20 plus 15 minus 8, all divided by 30. The answer is 27 out of 30, or a 90% chance. What about finding the probability of at least one of something, like rolling at least one 6 with 2 dice? Counting every success is slow. A faster way is the complement rule. Calculate the probability of the opposite, getting no 6s at all. The chance of not getting a 6 is 5 out of 6 for each die, so the probability of 2 failures is 5 6 times 5 6, which is 25 out of 36. Therefore, the chance of getting at least one 6 is simply 1 minus that, which is 11 out of 36. So, whether you're using a Venn diagram for simultaneous events or a tree diagram for sequential ones, remember the power of this language. And, or, and not aren't just words. They are the fundamental tools we use to navigate and quantify a world of chance.